Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Mercedes-Benz mirrors video for Carl in Pennsylvania, and we have this mirror here. This is from a S500 Coupe, a 96 I believe model. It's very nice condition. You can even see the rubbers are very supple, but the wires, I just wanted to show you the problem here. Look at this mess, and this is just how they are. Alright, so this is how they are. I just opened up the cover. It's all has been just disassembled. I finally get to work on it. So of course fuses will be blown, because this is how all the wires in these mirrors will end up being. It's soybean, that's biodegradable insulation Mercedes used, so obviously this is what they end up. So you can actually see, Carl, that's the problem that you had here with your mirror here. There is a little bit of resemblance of some insulation here. We can see is this one right here, which is kind of held on, kind of mysteriously. This was just like jammed or whatever the case was. Like this is horrible. I mean, I feel these wires. They feel like hair. They don't feel like metal, because they're just all being. And this one is broken. There's rust over there, right in this area, water damage. So yeah, so this is what I'm gonna have to deal with here. This is pretty bad. This is actually pretty bad. This is gonna be a difficult one, because these wires are so bad. Like whatever. It is what it is. That's my job. That's what I do. So alright, I'm going to fix this one right now. See, on this end they look a little better, except for one. You can see on this one it's bare, because these mirrors, I mean these wires right here, they're inside like kind of in the sail panel, so they're a little bit away from the heat, just a little, but still a little bit away from elements, I would rather say, because you have the seal here and they are protected a little better versus the ones that are out on the mirror itself, because it's pretty much just covered with plastic and the water and everything gets in. So this is our problem with the fuses blowing and everything. This is it. This is the situation with these mirrors. Another one is in the box, so I will do both, because if this one is this bad, so the other one will be just as bad. Alright, so I'll get to work and make you another video of a test when they all will be working again. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Check out my website for more repairs on Mercedes cars and parts that and Mercedes parts themselves, like these mirrors, throttle bodies, and wiring harnesses. Thank you for watching.